Hi there, this is once again Jacob John from Tiju's Academy. Excuse me is a phrase that we have heard a lot of times and we might be using it in our day-to-day speaking, isn't it? Does excuse me has any replacement? Or excuse me can be replaced with some other phrases or words? Today's video is all about that. If I'm not wrong, it seems like excuse me can be used in many occasions, isn't it? Well, of course. Excuse me can be used when you're accidentally bumping into somebody. You can say, oh, excuse me. That's something else that can be used. And also, when somebody is having a conversation with you and you're not able to follow what he or she is telling you, you can say, excuse me. Or when somebody is annoying you, it seems like, of course, you can say with a frown on your face, excuse me. So, do we have anything else to replace for excuse me? Of course. Let me start with I beg your pardon. And it can be I beg your pardon. I'm sorry. Forgive me. It seems like I didn't get to you. Forgive me, I didn't get to you. I beg your pardon. I didn't get to you. I'm sorry, I didn't get to you. Forgive me. Accept my apologies. I beg your forgiveness. Could you please repeat that? Could you please come again? My sincere apologies. Alright guys, so these are some of the phrases or sentences or words that I would like to give you to replace with excuse me. And I'm sure that these are definitely going to help you a great deal in your OET 2.0 speaking SIP test when you're having a conversation with your examiner who is enacting the role of a patient, carer, caregiver, bystander. Not only just for your exams, you can have this always handy whenever you're having a conversation with somebody else in English. Thank you so much to listen to this short video.